Ever wondered if machines can create something new, something original? Welcome to the world of generative AI. At its core, generative AI is all about creating new content from the data it's trained on. Imagine an artist who learns by observing and then uses that knowledge to create something new and unique. That's exactly what generative AI does, but in the digital realm. It's been around for a while, with transformative leaps made possible by the development of deep learning and transformer networks. A significant milestone came in 2023 with the release of GPT-4, a powerful generative model that some argue is an early version of artificial general intelligence. But don't worry, we're not in a sci-fi movie just yet. As fascinating as it sounds, generative AI is still far from achieving the benchmark of general human intelligence. Now that we know what generative AI is, let's delve into its various applications. From art to healthcare, generative AI is reshaping industries. This transformative technology has found its way into diverse fields, offering innovative solutions and creating new possibilities. Let's delve into how generative AI is being applied across different sectors. In the realm of art and design, generative AI is being harnessed to create unique and captivating pieces. Artists are using AI systems to generate everything from intricate digital paintings to immersive virtual realities. These AI-powered creations are pushing the boundaries of creativity, challenging our perceptions of what constitutes art. In the writing industry, generative AI is revolutionizing the way content is produced. AI models are now capable of generating text that closely mirrors human language, providing a valuable tool for content creators. From drafting articles to creating engaging social media posts, generative AI is helping writers to streamline their workflow and enhance their output. Software development is another field where generative AI is making a significant impact. AI models are being used to generate code, automating repetitive tasks, and speeding up the development process. This not only saves time but also minimizes human error, ensuring more robust and reliable software. In the healthcare sector, generative AI is being used for a range of applications, from predicting patient outcomes to developing new drugs. By learning patterns in medical data, AI models can generate insights that aid in diagnosis, treatment planning, and drug discovery. This can lead to more personalized and effective care, improving health outcomes for patients. Finance is another industry that's being transformed by generative AI. AI models are being used to predict market trends, analyze financial data, and generate investment strategies. This can help investors make more informed decisions and optimize their returns. In the gaming industry, generative AI is being used to create dynamic and immersive experiences. AI models can generate new game levels, characters, and storylines, providing endless variety and replayability. This is taking gaming to new heights, offering players unique and engaging experiences every time they play. In the world of marketing, generative AI is being used to create personalized content and advertisements. By learning patterns in consumer behavior, AI models can generate marketing strategies that resonate with specific target audiences. This can lead to more effective marketing campaigns and improved customer engagement. And in the fashion industry, generative AI is being used to create new designs and predict fashion trends. By analyzing patterns in fashion data, AI models can generate designs that align with current trends and consumer preferences. This can help fashion brands stay ahead of the curve and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Across all these industries, generative AI is also being used to plan sequences of actions to reach specific goals. Whether it's optimizing a supply chain in manufacturing or planning a treatment regimen in healthcare, generative AI is proving to be a powerful tool for strategic planning and decision-making. As we can see, generative AI has a wide range of applications. But what about the challenges it poses? With great power comes great responsibility, and generative AI is no exception. While generative AI has an impressive array of applications, it isn't without its fair share of challenges and concerns. The same technology that can generate beautiful art and write compelling narratives can also be used to create fake news and deepfakes. These are digitally manipulated videos or audios that are so convincing they can easily be mistaken for real. This opens up a Pandora's box of potential misuse, ranging from cybercrime to political manipulation. Just imagine a scenario where a fake video of a world leader declaring war goes viral. The repercussions could be catastrophic. Or consider a situation where someone's personal images are used without their consent to create deepfakes. The invasion of privacy is deeply concerning. This is why it's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations around the use of this technology. But it's not just about the potential misuse. Generative AI's ability to automate tasks also brings up concerns about job displacement. Industries such as customer service, data entry, and even some aspects of content creation could potentially be automated, leading to job losses. While automation can increase efficiency and reduce costs, it's important to consider the human element. What happens to those whose jobs are replaced by machines? How do we ensure a just transition? Moreover, the accuracy and potential biases of generative AI models is another concern. These models are trained on data from the internet, which is not always accurate and can often be biased. If unchecked, these biases could be perpetuated and even amplified by the AI, leading to skewed outcomes. Despite these challenges, generative AI holds immense potential. The key lies in responsible use. Ethical guidelines, strong regulations, and transparency in how these models work and are trained could go a long way in mitigating these concerns. After all, technology in itself is neutral. It's how we choose to use it that makes all the difference. Generative AI is not just about the present, it's shaping the future. As we look beyond today, we see a world of possibilities, a horizon teeming with potential, all thanks to the power of generative AI. Imagine a future where learning is revolutionized, where no child is left behind, regardless of their socioeconomic status. Generative AI holds the potential to transform learning for marginalized children, offering personalized, interactive, and engaging educational experiences. It could break down barriers, providing equal opportunities for all to learn, grow, and thrive. Now let's step into the world of work. Mundane, repetitive tasks, a thing of the past. Generative AI brings with it the promise of automation. This is not just about streamlining processes or increasing efficiency, it's about freeing up human minds to engage in more creative, complex problem-solving tasks. It's about enhancing human potential, not replacing it. Consider decision-making, a critical aspect of any business. With generative AI, we can look forward to faster, data-driven decisions. Generative models can sift through vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate insights at a pace and scale that far exceeds human capacity. This could mean more informed decisions, reduced risk, and ultimately, more successful outcomes. But as we chart this future, we must also be mindful of our responsibilities. Yes, generative AI brings with it immense potential, but it also calls for careful consideration and ethical use. We need to ensure that as we harness the power of generative AI, we do so in a way that respects privacy, promotes inclusivity, and prevents misuse. The future of generative AI is indeed promising, but it's up to us to harness its potential responsibly. So, what's the takeaway from all this? We've journeyed through the intriguing world of generative artificial intelligence, exploring its essence, applications, challenges, and potential future. It's been quite the adventure, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered. Generative AI, as we've learned, refers to AI systems that can generate new data, such as text, images, or other media, that mirror patterns found in their training data. These systems are built on generative models, which have evolved over time, thanks to advances in technology like transformer-based deep neural networks. The applications of generative AI are as diverse as they are impactful, touching a multitude of industries from art and writing to software development, healthcare, finance, and beyond. Whether it's creating AI art or generating sequences of actions to reach specific goals, the versatility of generative AI is truly impressive. However, as with any powerful tool, generative AI doesn't come without its share of challenges and concerns. Issues such as potential misuse and biases embedded in the data they're trained on are significant hurdles that need to be addressed. Moreover, the accuracy of these AI models is a topic of ongoing discussion, emphasizing the need for continuous improvement and refinement. Looking forward, the possibilities of generative AI are as boundless as our imagination. The ongoing development in this field, like the release of transformer networks and pixel generative models, points towards a future where AI could become an even more integral part of our lives. However, it's important to remember that while we're on the cusp of AI-driven innovation, generative AI is still far from reaching the benchmark of general human intelligence. Generative AI is a fascinating field with endless possibilities. As we continue to explore and innovate, who knows what we'll discover next.